Hey everyone, how are you all out there? Welcome to my video all about how to make life easy, right? You know, this is such a big topic and I just wanted to share it with you all because if you get a grasp on this, your life could be so much easier than what it is right now, and it could be flowing so much easier than it is right now, okay? Now, if you have the belief that life is hard, it will filter through everything you do in life, right? If you believe life is hard, so what I want you to do is think about that statement, and I want you to see how much you believe that statement out of 10. 10 being I fully believe that statement, 0 being I don't really believe that statement at all. And ask yourself this, state out this statement. Life is hard, right? And see where you're at. Now, if you have that base belief that life is hard, everything in your life will be hard. If you run a business, your career, your relationships, your health, your money, like everything will be hard and heavy, okay? So let me know in the comments, do you believe life is hard? Do you believe business is hard? Do you believe relationships are hard? Do you have that, life is a struggle. Life is hard. Life isn't easy. You've got to work hard to make money. Like everything is hard. Like, can you feel that energy? It's so heavy, right? And it can be really, really simply shifted. I've got ways and means of doing that, of actually shifting those beliefs and opening up the flow to life being much, much easier for you. So if you wanted to know about that, just reach out to me in the comments and, we can connect. And I'm sort of trying to put together some other things where I can take you through the process of releasing all these beliefs and helping you to start to adopt the belief that life is easy for you in sort of a way that you don't have to work one-on-one with me. You can do it in your own time, online, anywhere in the world, like all that kind of thing. I'm in the process of doing that at the moment. So let me know in the comments if that's something that interests you. So, releasing these beliefs are easy. And what happens is when you release these beliefs, life just becomes so much easier for you. You'll start hearing yourself saying, business is easy, money is easy, my life is so easy, right? Life is flowing. Like, could you imagine if your life was like that? I mean, what would that mean to you? Let me know in the comments. If your life was easy, right? If it was really, really easy, how would you feel? I mean, who doesn't want that? All right. And when you adopt that belief, life just flows so much easier for you. Okay. And so, I just wanted to bring that to your attention and bring that to your awareness, because how we change our life is through the awareness we bring to where we're at in this moment, okay? Now, when I started shifting these beliefs, things that I was wanting to learn about and, especially like human design and astrology, which is what I'm heavily studying at the moment, which is just amazing, just became really easy, right? It just really easy to just understand it. And if I showed you the charts, some people, if you don't know anything about it, it's just like, what is all this stuff, right? And I actually can read them now really easily. And so, removing these beliefs from your life are important. Now, I find the beliefs around things being hard is actually generational, because if you think about our ancestors and, they went through life is hard, life is tough and all of that. And so we carry this belief deeply in our DNA, and we also carry it from what we've seen growing up. If our parents were working, 1,000 hours a week, like mine were, all the time, busy, 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 money, 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 life's hard, you've got to work hard to get the money and all of that, then you will adopt that belief. You will have already adopted that belief just by being born into that family through the DNA lines coming into your DNA. Well, you're a part of it, and then you watch and see it, then you life is hard, but it's actually not. It's just what you believe. If you change your belief, you will change your life, because everything is belief, everything is perception. Okay, that's how the law of assumption works, right? So let me know in the comments if this has been helpful. If you like the video, make sure you like it. Hit subscribe if you're liking the content, and hit the bell notification so you're notified of all the upcoming readings and videos that I do. And thanks for listening, and I hope it's helped. See ya.